Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Python Challenge for All. Okay, let's see where we were last time.
Oh, prime numbers. Yes. We were trying to find prime numbers and we found a way, we learned a way to do it in one line and then actually applied it so that we can find all the prime numbers below 50. Homework was, yeah, do it as well for 100, 1,000, 10,000, and so on. Okay, let's open the same file. That's E3, select it, and see going down all the way. Yeah, we were doing this. And yeah, that's right. We learned that we can count the number of factors. And if the count is 2, it's a prime number. Okay, so this was actually what we were doing. Okay, let's just use this single line implementation. Maybe we can just copy this to this one, and we want maybe put it into L, the answer to L, and also upper limit. We can make max n to be like 50 first, and we put max n plus 1 here. And what we want is print, let's see, if we want the number of primes, it's like that. But also maybe we can, check whether it's correct by checking the last 5 primes to, so that we can make sure we are right. So here, you remember how to pick up the last 5 elements of the list? I hope you will do. It's -5 colon blank. That's right. This should work. Okay, let's run it. So for up to 50, there are 15 prime numbers, and the last 5 are 31, 37, 41, 43, 47. Seems this is correct. So we can change this to 100, and let's run it again. So it gives under 100, there are 25 primes, and the last 5 are 73 up to 97. Okay, so how about 1,000? It's very fast. Okay, it completes in a second, less than a second, and there are 168, and the last 5 are this. And this seems reasonably correct. Okay, how about 10,000? We can just add 1 0 here and print. Oh, it's taking time. Like, okay. It seems it took almost 2 seconds to get the answer. The answer is under 10,000, there are 1,229, 1,229. The last 5 are like this. Do you want to try 100,000? Okay, we can try. But it could take a little more than I see. While we're trying this, okay, let's move on to today's part. Okay, executing time going up. Let's see. And in the meantime, we will turn the page to lesson 26. Today's lesson is again drawing using Turtle graphics, drawing a square spiral. What is square spiral? It's as simple as this. Okay. So let's try this after we are through with the homework. It's still working. What can we do? Maybe, okay, let's stop when it comes to 1 minute and let you do yourself maybe later as Okay, it's a homework. Please try it yourself. And for 10,000, 100,000, 200,000, and yeah, if you are interested, you can try what you get for 1 million. Actually, we'll come back to this topic much later again. So maybe we will try a more efficient, faster algorithm then. Okay, let me finish this. Sorry. Okay, thank you for your work. Good. So that's all for the this notebook. So just let's save it and then open a new one. So here, maybe file. So as we saved it, we can just go on to a new notebook. Okay, open a new notebook, right? And then let's name it E was it E4, E3? What was the name? Let's see. What was the name? It was E2. So okay, let's name it E3. Okay, good. So what do we need to start Colab? Maybe I'll put that in the description box below, but you can just copy and paste it here. Okay, so it will connect, and if you remember correctly, pip install ColabTurtle and import ColabTurtle.Turtle as key. So let's see. If you remember, you can write forward 100. And let's see what happens. We need to initialize that. So okay, so yeah, that's right. We forgot to put initialize. So again, copy from the description box to initialize it. So this will work. Okay, so the turtle was moved forward by 100. Okay, let's see what we need to do from here. So look at what we want. So we prepare to use ColabTurtle, draw a square spiral like this. So what we should do about this? Okay, maybe you can find out. Okay, let's start from the center. Okay, so it's like going to the left, turn left, and then going like short distance, turn right, turn left by 90. So it's going a little, change color to you. Okay, so it's like this, going a little to, like, for example, 10 to left, and then turn left by 50, sorry, to 90, and then going a little longer, like 20, and turn left, a little longer, like 30. It's like this. So let's try this. Okay, it's quite easy, right? So let's change this to 10, and then turn left by 90. Sorry. And maybe we know how to do the loop. So we use the side length. Side length is 10. Okay. And then forward side length, turn left, and increment the side by, say, 10. And repeat this. So to do that, we need for I in range. Let's try 5 times. And then, okay, select and shift. Tab. Okay, let's see what happens here. Okay. Too small. Too small. Okay. I see. I forgot to put 10 here. So how about this? This is basically what we want. So let's see. To get exactly like this, maybe we change background color to white and, sorry, and then also pen color to blue. I think this is right. And let's try 15 times and a little faster, like 6. Okay, let's try this. Ooh, background. Sorry, it was not background, but BG color. Okay, should be BG color. Okay, let's try this. So we change BG color and the turtle is faster now, repeating it 15 times. And it seems this is what we want. Okay. Yeah, you can try many variations like 25 times. And yeah, but exactly this is fine. Okay. They're very simple, only several lines. Okay, good. It's fast. Maybe you can turn left in the beginning so that it will start. Okay, maybe not a big deal. So what's next? How about a triangle spiral? Okay, so try yourself how to change it as a triangle square, triangle spiral line. Okay, maybe you stop the file, stop the video and try yourself. Okay, good. It's so simple. Maybe we can just do 20. And then instead of turning 90 degrees, yeah, remember that we need to turn 120 degrees this time to right triangle. And this is actually the same. So let's see this. Good enough. Are you satisfied with this? Maybe this is good enough. Okay, fine. Apply 4 colors for each line. Okay, use a list: red, blue, orange, and green. So okay, last time we tried to change colors for each line, but then, yeah, okay, this time we will use another way to do that. So instead of writing if then if else, we can use this. So make a list of colors first. Like, what were they? Equals. What were they? Red, blue. What were the others? Orange and green. Okay. Be sure to use quotation marks each time and green. Then, after writing this, maybe we can change colors to the pen color. So we pick up this one first, then next time this one, this one, this one, and after that we'll pick up red again. So it's like modulo. So color, calls, and here comes I, percentage 4, and then actually rather than this is more flexible. So you know what happens. So each time when I is 0, it will pick up this one. 1, 2, 3, and then 4, red again. Okay, you will find out how this works. So let's see if this works fine. Ooh, good. Turtle is changing colors, and each time changing colors and write beautiful, drawing beautiful triangle spiral. Good. This is what we want. Try a pentagon spiral. You know what pentagon is? It is a polygon which has 5 sides. Okay, stop the video and try yourself. Okay, maybe I will do it again. So in case of pentagon, again, we will find out what is the degree to, what is the angle to turn after each. Maybe easiest way is we will go back to the original direction after 5 turns. So the angle for each time is 360 divided by 5. Okay, so let's try that. So maybe we can let the Python do the work. So 360 over 5 this time. Okay, let's see what happens here. Good. Maybe this time it's too big. Maybe we can put a little smaller value for this increment, but actually this is what we wanted, right? Basically. So let's change the increment to 5 down to increment, and then use 30 loops to see what we have. Okay, this is what we want. Good. I hope you like it. And I hope you will try yourself many variations as you like changing colors, changing size, and something like that. Okay. Okay, it's done. Beautiful. Okay, that's all for today. So the homework. Try also hexagon, heptagon, and octagon. And as you know, hexagon is a polygon with side 6 sides, heptagon 7 sides, and octagon with 8 sides. Okay. Okay, come back next time. Be sure to come back next time. And I hope you like. Okay, hope see you again next time. Bye-bye.